Now let's discuss about the difference between credit card to debit card chargeback. Let's face it, between a problem with a debit card purchase and one with the credit card, you're more likely to have a better success in a dispute with the credit card. You enjoy better consumer protection as a credit card holder, and you'd be able to keep the money you spend in your account while threshing out the problems with the merchant. But don't lose hope. In a debit card purchase, you can file a dispute, and you might be able to get your money back. As a credit card holder, you have the right to dispute a charge when there is a billing error or other issues that you can't work out with the merchant. The law provides you with these rights through the Federal Truth in Lending Act and the Fair Credit Billing Act. With credit cards, you have the right to withhold repayment to the credit card company for any purchase which you file a dispute after a merchant refuses to resolve a problem with their goods or services. Here are some cases that would call for a dispute. You ordered an item that never arrived. For example, you ordered a camper trailer tent for $600 from an online camping equipment store, but they never delivered the item to you. The merchandise they delivered was defective or not the same as described. For example, you ordered a 21-speed bike on display at a store. When your order arrives, it has substitute cheap parts and not the original parts like the one on display. The merchant charged you for more than the stated price. For instance, you bought a high-end bag on sale at 35% off, but the merchant charged you for the full amount and refuses to refund the supposed discount. However, for a debit card holder, the law does not provide the same protections. Consumers who experience similar problems with their debit card purchases still have a recourse with their concerns. If you file a dispute over a debit card charge, it is incumbent for your bank to look into the matter. That's it for now. On our website, you can find more posts as well as calculators and other financial tools. Have you disputed a debit card purchase? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them with us in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube to get more free financial educative videos.